What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Filecoin, which has been pumping up in value over the last, I wouldn't say 24 hours, potentially over the last 6, 7, 8 hours. It has pumped up nearly 12% in value, making it $6.42. So where is this crypto heading to next? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Or is it just time to hold on to it? I'm going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, as well as looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022. Is it a good crypto to get into? Is it a good crypto to invest into, or would you rather put your money into a different crypto? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are on the Coinbase website right now. The market is down just about 1% in the last 24 hours, and we can see that Filecoin has managed to gain a spot in the top gainers list, the 4th top gainer in the last 24 hours. So in the last hour itself, we can see quite a drop here in the last couple of minutes here. In the last day, 12%, over the week 10%, and over the month is an overall 24% down, guys. So as you can see, major drops here in mid-August, about 2-3 weeks ago, and yeah, it's been dropping ever since, going in a negative direction. However, today we have seen quite a quite a pump. So how long is it gonna go on for, or is it gonna straight away drop back down in value? So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by over 200% in the last 24 hours, making it $452 million in trading, which is a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Filecoin. We're seeing a lot of buyers, a lot of sellers, and in general, just a lot of people trading the crypto, as it's been getting a lot of attention. As you can see, a massive 90% buy against 10% sell. So yeah, we've got way more investors than sellers at the moment. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we do have the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, currently valuing Filecoin at $6.38, and it is currently trading at $6.40, meaning it's very, very close to the average value. So it's performing it like it's meant to, and is doing quite well. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and I'll move on to the hourly, daily, and weekly chart. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, we can see that the blue line and the orange line are slightly slanting towards the negative direction, meaning minimal drops in value are expected over the coming hours. So let's say over the next 12 to 14 hours, towards the end of the day today, very early hours of tomorrow, we should expect an overall drop in value on Filecoin, potentially dropping below the $6.20 mark is what I'm expecting. However, that does not mean we're going to be hitting red candles consistently for the next 12 hours. Of course not. We are going to have green candles where it's going to pump up in value, potentially heading towards about $6.80 or even $7 over the next couple of hours, and then it's likely to drop back down in value. So it's going to be quite volatile. We are going to see green candles, we are going to see red candles up and down, but the overall outcome once again seems to be slightly more on the negative side rather than the positive side. So do expect an overall drop in value. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, now we've got opposite sides. Obviously, we've got the blue line and the orange line slanting towards a positive direction. It's not looking very clear, however, especially the blue line, but we can see that is slowly slanting towards a positive direction. So an overall increase in value is what is expected on Filecoin over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, we should expect it to potentially head towards the $7 mark. However, just because it's going up in a positive direction, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major increase or a major pump or anything like that. It is going to be very minimal, guys. So don't expect any huge increases in value. And again, that does not mean we're going to be hitting green candles consistently for the next 7-8 days. Again, we are going to see red days when it's down, green days when it's up. It's going to be volatile, but the overall outcome once again seems to be more on the positive side. So again, do expect an overall increase in value towards the end of next week. Now, Moving on to the hourly chart, what can we see here? As you can clearly see, we've got two lines going the opposite direction. So the blue line is looking bullish and the orange line is looking slightly bearish. Yes, it does look like it is going in a straight line, but if you look very closely, we can see that it's just about slanting towards the negative direction. So again, an overall decrease in value is what is showing from the orange line. So again, because we've got two lines going the opposite direction, a fluctuation in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So let's say mid-October to late October, we should more or less be at the current price range that is trading at the moment. However, this obviously depends on any major price drops or major price pumps, bull runs and so on that happen over the coming weeks. Especially if Bitcoin decides to drop down to 10-15k, then yes, we are going to see major drops, not just on Filecoin and Bitcoin, but the whole crypto market in general. However, if Bitcoin somehow manages to hit 30-35k, then we are going to see major pumps in the crypto market, meaning Filecoin will be way above the $7 mark by that time. But again, these things are not expected, they are unexpected. So anything like that, I will make sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. So yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Filecoin, guys. So let's get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. However, as you guys can see, there isn't much to do. The only reason for that is not only are we in the red zone, but we are in the lowest part of the red zone and have been trading in the red zone since, let's have a look here, November 2021 is when we dropped into the red zone, and ever since then we've just been getting worse and worse and worse. And for us to hit the resistance target, to hit the green zone, is $59.77, meaning we're going to have to go for a huge increase in value, approximately 800 to 900%, which I'm not expecting from Filecoin anytime soon. So most of this year and potentially most of next year as well is very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone. However, that doesn't matter, guys. What matters is as long as we slowly and steadily start to move in an upwards direction, potentially hitting the green zone mid next year is what we should expect. But hopefully, guys, we should be slowly starting to move in a positive direction. But if you guys want regular updates on Filecoin, let me know in the comment section down below and I'll be sure to keep you guys updated as much as I can on this crypto. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on this crypto. What I want you guys to do is comment down below what your predictions and your expectations are on Filecoin, guys. What is the highest figure or lowest figure this crypto can hit in 2022? Comment down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish, as I have seen a lot of positive as well as a lot of negative comments around this crypto. And on that note, guys, I'm going to end the video here. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting and just supporting the channel in any way or form. And especially all the subscribers out there, thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.